I'm guessing your movement is just more so
that's
at the
pretty
time.
important. Just like using your dodge roll to like.
You're a bird. Everyone wants your eggs, and you can talk shit to those who do. Bro, shut the fuck up. Bird of War is a game that I've been waiting on for ages, with fast-paced movement, advanced combat, and some interesting players.
Oh my god, bro. I'm literally gonna kill myself.
This game is just one I had to play, and after rigorous training and the help of my sensei,
There you go. That was good.
here's how I accidentally became a pro at Birds of War. I just got an egg crate. It's a crate. Oh, okay, is it free? Oh, yeah, let me crack that shit. Oh, what? One of them are. Oh, I want the shiny shit. Oh, banner. Blue banner? Green tiger. Equip that shit. Was that it? Oh, wait a second. Jamro. Taser. Eagle. I need to fucking unlock Eagle. As an Albanian man, this needs to be unlocked as soon as possible. Let's run this. I want it to be super hidden. I can't let these guys know that I'm streamers. What's up, bitches? Man, you got me switching to Crow. Crow can't be that good. Bro, shut the fuck up. Shut up, man. Damn, already? It's 5 AM, bro. I forgot about my audio. Give me a second. So I have this filter on, which makes their mics very shit. So yeah, put this back on. Makes them speak like that. Level 47? Who the fuck is level 47? What? Oh, this guy's. How long has this game been out? Oh, I'm so ready. I'm running up pro. I thought Humming Bro was it. What's up, my dude?
Battle begins.
So there's also team chat. Oh, what the fuck happened there? Oh, battle begins. So where's it? This is Coliseum. Oh, okay. I like this map. So I'm gonna be real. I played one map before, one game, and usually. Wait, what? How the fuck do I? Oh, okay. Water capture. And now I'm knocked out because I knocked myself out. Yo, you're dookie, bro. You're dookie. Wait, what? Oh. What the bro, what the fuck? Who the fuck no-lives this game like that? GG go next. Fuck that, man. Alright, let me see. I guess I'll go pitching. I think one of them can go. Yeah, this guy has UAV. Powerful wing clap. Health 9.8. Speed 9.4. 8 carry speed. Ah, now they're doing. Who is it? Is this it? I can't even.
How much time you got on this game?
Yo, how much time you got beating your dick? Am I right?
Yo, oh my god, bro. I'm literally gonna kill myself.
I don't know what to do anymore. I don't like this map though. I really want to skip it. So you guys watched the game last night? Lock in. There's the egg. There's an egg. I'm gonna go for this one. It seems more safe. See that little 360? So did I though. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm running it down. Boom. Okay. Oh, that was clean as fuck. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, he's on my team, I think. No, I'm yellow. What the fuck?
Our team has an egg. Get it home.
Oh fuck! I forgot I can lock on. Ah, man, I suck. I forgot I can lock on. I just lost him. Oh, this is tough. This is tough. Yeah, okay. You guys are on my team. Okay. Run it, run it, run it. I'll defend. I'll be on def. I'm on defense. Go, go, go. I got this.
Take them down.
Yo, you don't trust me, Lurk? Bro, I got this shit. Look at me. Eye in the sky. I don't think. Okay.
Our team has an egg. The enemy has our egg. Bring them
Where the fuck
down.
did he go? Yeah, he shouldn't have trusted me. I'm going for his shit. Bro, what the? Nah, I need to switch up. I need to switch up. What the hell? Pigeon? Nah, hummingbird. Because I don't need wall hacks, bro. Like, even if I can see him, I can't kill him. I need attack speed.
Got our egg. Get
That's
it
okay,
back.
that's okay. I'm running for reds. See a teammate there? What the?
Streak. Our egg
Yo,
is
some
down.
people know like this game. What the fuck? Level 55. He killed me 2 times. Yeah. I'm gonna get my ones. Oh, no. He killed me 3 times.
Bring them down.
Alright, it's quite late. I thought I'd run this up at 5 a.m. and see what happens. I don't know why. I just realized that Joe Bart posted a video on this. So then I was like, oh, the game's out? I thought I had this wishlisted. And here I am. Oh, let's go. I'll take an assist.
They've got our egg.
That's
Get it
cool.
back.
That's fine. Oh, don't crash now. Don't crash now. And this dude over here. We're on the same team. Currently.
The enemy team need one more to win.
Shit, it's
Do
press a
not let
9.
that happen.
No. Yo, this is tough.
Not surprised.
No, I won't lie. You know like this game, bro. Monarch, what the fuck, bro? You need to chill out.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, maybe it's not a good idea. I think I don't need sweats, bro. I need like, do you know what I mean? Please, for the love of God. Is there skill-based matchmaking? You got a fucking owl? Will they hear me at this point? I don't know. Yo, you got a fucking owl?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Harry Potter type shit.
What's up?
I said Harry Potter type shit.
Harry Potter type shit? Yes,
Mm.
sir.
What's your name?
Invert.
That's a pretty cool name, bro.
Yeah, appreciate it.
The enemy
I'm
has our
fucking
egg.
ass, bro.
Bring them down. Enemy streak.
Bro, this shit ain't
Shut
for
them
me,
down.
man. Yo, give me some tips, bro. Tips, pointers.
Yo, if you chill for a second, I'll give you a couple tips.
Alright, yeah. Because I've been I was like, alright, this guy's good. If yeah.
Alright, so for Crow, basically what you're going to want to do, your Q ability, you know, your invisible one.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever button you got on the... Okay, this kid.
Enemy streak.
Oh, I'm ass, bro.
Shut them down.
I'll come over in a sec.
Alright, so do you have default settings or no?
I have lock on mouse. That's about it. Yo, chill out, dude. No, he's chill. He's listening now.
Alright.
I'm listening to a
Alright.
wise owl. Everyone get
So
down.
what are
Chill
you
out.
playing? Pigeon? Pigeon frickin' sucks in my opinion, but you gotta use the gus. And then for Crow, you like press your invisibility. Yeah, you can use that and you go in and you hit it a little early. Like before you enter, come in, get on the nest, pick up an egg and then run with it, bait out their area maybe, and then like get a good lead charge attack and then kinda just run down from there.
So I'm guessing
So,
your movement is just a
I
fine.
would recommend using Invis to
I'm guessing your movement is just more so
movement's
the
pretty
time.
important. Just like using your dodge roll to like.
Yeah, I'm after this, man. Alright. May the best man win. I'm gonna run back and we run this.
Enemy streak. Shut them down.
Let's fucking go!
Now we're even.
There you go. That was good.
You've caught their egg. Now get it home.
Get it home, get it home, get it home, get it home, get it home.
The enemy's
Bingo.
making a comeback. Don't let them. They've got her egg.
That was fucking clean. I fuck with that. Your ass is mine. Where you at? Get back here. Let's fuck it, bro. I fuck with you. Thanks for the tips, man.
We have been defeated. I'm not surprised.
W man, W man. GG's. You won the game, but you won my heart too.
I'm sure I'll see y'all in the next one or something.
In a bit, man.
GGs.
What a G, what a G. And let's switch the regions back to automatic. We need some more games. More peeps in the games. You know what I mean? I'm kind of liking this so far. I might get the supported dev bundle, low key. This is my go-to. I want this with all my heart. It's only new goal, fucking eagle. I want Wise Owl.
5, 2,
750, we can do that.
prepare yourselves. The
It's just a
skies
few
are active.
challenges. I see someone there. Of course, I crashed him.
We've drawn
I'm
first
getting so
blood.
good at that. Ooh! What the fuck, dude? You ain't got shit on me. I didn't know it was you, but you ain't got shit on me. I was too locked in on the fight.
The enemy has our egg. Bring them down.
Oh, and I'll come back for you. Stay under the board. How about our children safe? Oh, just heard him. I'm sorry, pal.
3 minutes
I
remaining.
came back for you. I told you. Like I knew I would.
You've got an egg. Go, go, go.
What the fuck? Oh, I dropped it. I accidentally dropped it. Did I? Oh no, did I just drop off the map?
They've
Did I
got
just see
our
someone
egg.
crash?
Get it back.
Oh no, let's run the fate. Let's run the fate. I haven't fought you yet. Where you at? Come back. Come back. Yeah, that's what I thought. Loser.
Enemies making a comeback. Don't let them. You've caught their egg.
Nope.
Now get it home.
I didn't know you had stamina left in you. Yeah, fight! Now get the fuck out of here. That's what I thought. And now we're going. We got 2 eggs. Oh, we could do a little pass and drop type thing. Like I could be dropping eggs here for people, right?
Defend the nest.
And then later, all I have to do then is pick them up from right here, rather than going the whole way back. So I'm gonna start doing that. Is there a way to look behind me? That would be sick. I need that. I'll just grab one of these. He's losing, and if I bring him back in time, I'm winning.
Get it back.
Oh fuck! Never mind. Fuck your kid.
We have been defeated.
All right, that was tough. Now that I know my new shit, now that I know my new stuff, I might have to try Hummingbird. Oh, more feathers, more feathers. Yes, I forgot. Actually, 5 assists, win a match. I need more players though for assists. We got the big farm. I need to turn on this game audio. I'm gonna be so for real. This can just go. Mic back on. Mic volume? Oh, that's people's mic volume?
3, 2, 1. On your marks, lads.
Let's run up this dude. I mean to give this guy another try. He done damage. I gotta remember that. And he heals himself.
Defend the nest, you absolute clowns. They've got her egg. Get it back.
Okay, I got more people on my team now.
Our egg's down. Get it back.
Fuck you, bitch.
Enemies making a comeback. Don't let them.
Fuck you, bitch. That's what he says. Do you know what? Halfway through this video, I feel like I'm just gonna have a revelation almost.
Winning. Stop them.
I want to be nice. I don't want to be rude.
Egg. Now get it home.
I will kill him still, but I don't want to be rude anymore. I want to be a nice guy. Like, hey, fight love, not violence.
Enemies
Peace,
making a
not war.
comeback. Don't let them.
No, that type of shit. I'm dookie at this game though. I'm gonna be so for real. Oh wait, you can throw.
We've
Did I
got an
trip?
egg. Don't get cocky.
I feel like just crashing into it is actually the best strat.
You've got an egg. Go, go, go.
Go, go, go. Oh, I knew you were coming for me. Where you at?
Revenge kill. Enemies making a comeback. Don't let them. You've got their egg. Now get it home.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
They've got
I'm
our
actually
egg.
doing quite good
Get
now.
it back.
Invert, what's good, bro?
Get it back.
Sorry, I gotta fuck up your homie real quick.
Triple kill. Now you're showing off.
Okay.
You've got their egg. Now get it home. Enemy streak. Shut them down.
I'm still ass. I gotta do better for invert. 1-0.
From winning. Stop them. 3 minutes remaining.
Oh, I get kills with this dude though. I do get kills. Invert just fucked me.
You caught their egg. Now get it home.
That parry was crazy. Fuck you for that. GG's man.
Our team has an egg. Get it home.
Ah, okay.
Enemies making a comeback. Don't let them. They're stockpiling eggs. The enemy team need one more to win. Do not let that happen.
Fuck. There's skill to this. There is skill to this. I'm trying, like.
1 minute remaining.
Oh. Well, act like that didn't happen. Unfortunate.
Curious. You caught their egg. Now get it home. Egg returned to nest. Lovely.
Oh,
30 seconds left, lads. Make it
come on, come on, let's run it, let's run it, let's run it. Why are you running? Yeah, yeah, you're low now. I'm right here, bro. I don't see you.
enemies.
Oh fuck.
The enemy has our egg.
Wait, I thought it was gonna be nice. I forgot about that.
Our egg's down. Get it back. Defeat.
No. GG's, man. GG's. Huh? Yeah, bro, I'm ass at this game. I'm gonna be real. Yeah. Alright, let's get to level 5 and we'll call it there. I think that's a good place. Yeah, what the fuck, dude? I don't think we're finding the game right now. Alright, guys, you know what? We're gonna end it here. Going up for the dead homies? Oh, for okay.